Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Google Pay and verifying your identity. This prevents later hiccups. Once done, add a card or bank account and follow on-screen verification, reasons, bank authorization, and fraud prevention. Make sure to review billing and shipping addresses before leaving this screen because mismatches often block transactions. You'll also enable device screen lock for security. After verification completes, tap the payment method to set it as default so you can use it immediately for online checkouts. When you're at the merchant's checkout, select Google Pay as the payment option. This triggers a secure token exchange rather than sharing your card number. Next, confirm the chosen card, delivery address, and any tip or order notes. Make adjustments now to avoid returns. Then authenticate the payment using fingerprint, PIN, or face recognition so the merchant receives an authorization token. Once authorized, wait for the confirmation screen and copy or screenshot the order number if you want a quick reference. After payment, check for both the merchant confirmation and Google Pay transaction in the app. This double check confirms settlement. If the payment fails or is declined, first verify the card is active, has available balance or limit, and matches billing details. Banks may block unusual transactions. Also, make sure your app is updated and the device time is correct. If problems persist, contact your bank to see alerts or call Google Pay support. Keep transaction ID handy to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.